Then after the conflict, what happened? Listen carefully. In the year 1947, UN nations voted to split whom? Palestine between Arabs and the Jews. Then what might have happened? The Jewish residents accepted the agreement and declared independence of Israel in the year 1948. But what happened? The Arabs rejected the agreement. Then fear again started. Then Arab state of Egypt, Jordan, Iraq and Syria declared war on Israel. Then Israel won the war, and after winning the war, what happens? It expanded the territory, so reducing the Palestine to just which area? Gaza Strip and West Bank, and they were forced to flee from the Israel. The Palestinians were forced to flee from the Israel. That are the key points. Then Palestine refugee crisis began, which led to the creation of PLO. What is PLO? Palestine Liberation Organization, which was that year in the year 1964. And after that, in June 1967, next started. 6-day war started between Israel and Arab countries. Then as a result of that, Israel captured Gaza Strip, Sinai Peninsula from Egypt, West Bank from Jordan, and your Golan Heights from Syria. Okay, then after that, UN Security Council came with a resolution, Land for Peace, where they asked Israel to return back the captured areas back to the defeated nations. Then what might have happened? Then Israel give the territories back. Israel was reluctant to return the captured territories. And again, Fir Jagda started. Another Arab-Israeli war erupted in the year 1973. That war was known as Yom Kippur War. Okay, and in which Israel did what? Israel got some sort of setbacks, and they started peace process. And in 1978, Camp David Accord was signed between which all countries? Israel and Egypt, to establish peace in those regions. And Israel returned Sinai Peninsula back to Egypt in the year 1982. But at the end of the day, no peace could be established in that particular region. For peace only they did this. They signed this accord, but it did not happen. Then in the year 1987, this group was there now. This Islam militant groups, Hamas. They came for the liberation of Palestine through jihad. They came into existence. But it refused to recognize Israel as what? A separate country. And in the year 1993, with the mediation of US and Russia, PLO signs, the latter organization PLO signs Oslo Accord with Israel. Which country with Israel? So for Palestine interim self-government to rule over West Bank and Gaza Strip. But Israel refused to consider what? Palestine as a free country. And what happened in the year 2011? In the year 2011, Palestine launched a diplomatic campaign to gain a membership. For what purpose? In UN for the state of Palestine. But same year, it was admitted in UNESCO as a full member. However, Palestinian struggle for independent nation is still going on. Understood? Independent nation means for a separate country. Now, why this case?